In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily newsletter using the Perplexity Task for shoe releases. This is a fantastic way to keep yourself up to date with the latest sneaker news and release dates. Let's dive in and go step by step so you can easily set this up yourself. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Once you're there, type Perplexity into the search bar. This will allow us to access the Perplexity website, a platform where you can manage tasks efficiently. Click on the official Perplexity website from the search results to reach the home page. Once you're on the Perplexity website, locate the profile icon. You'll find it in the lower left corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu where you'll find the option for tasks. Go ahead and click on Tasks. Next, you'll see a plus sign icon, which allows you to create a new task. Click this plus sign to get started. You'll also notice a tab for scheduled tasks. Click on Scheduled to ensure that your task will be set to occur regularly. In the Task section, you'll need to provide some instructions for Perplexity. Type the following instruction. Give me today's latest sneaker and shoe releases from the past 24 hours. Include the brand, model, release date, and price if available. Keep it in 5 short bullets. This instruction directs Perplexity to gather all the necessary information for your shoe newsletter. Now, let's make sure this is a recurring task. Select the option labeled Daily. This will ensure that the newsletter pulls in new, fresh data for you each day. Choose a specific time for this task to run daily. Setting a time creates a consistent point in your day when you'll receive updates, which is especially useful if you want this information before starting your day or at a specific schedule that suits your routine. After setting the time, the final step is to click on Save. This will ensure all your preferences and settings are stored, and your task is now ready to perform as intended. Upon saving, you're all set. You'll now start receiving daily news about the latest shoe releases, conveniently delivered straight to your inbox or wherever you've directed these notifications to be sent. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you've set up a recurring newsletter that keeps you in the loop with the freshest sneaker developments. Enjoy this newfound ease and stay stylish with the latest releases. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shoe shopping!